Hi, this is Hadas from in Canva, and in this tutorial, are you ready for this one? Magic Video. You can transform your content into short, shareable videos with Magic Design for Video. Let's go ahead and see exactly how we do that. So I've opened up a video, in this case a mobile video, and I'm just going to go up here to this Generate Videos. Click on that. Pick your photos, your images. You can upload them or use something already in the media. So you can pick up to 10 images at the moment. So I'm going to pick these 6 images because I want to create a video for my secondhand denim sale. Oh, wow. That's not a bad idea. I have so many of them. And now down here, you can describe the type of video you want Canva to generate. So I'm just going to write a really specific prompt. Generate the video, and oh wow. Okay, now before I'm even playing this, I can tell that each scene here has a different timing. There are transitions between them. There is an audio track, which I can't wait to hear, and my logo, and there are also text and animated stickers, and wow, this is the whole package. Okay, look at this. The last frame is my logo. Thank you, Canva. You're so considerate. Okay, let's play this. Oh my God, I'm speechless. This is a time saver. It looks wonderful. I love it. I have to make only a few adjustments, like I don't want the text over his face, but that's like nothing in comparison to doing this from scratch. I love this feature. These videos can keep your audience engaged. This is a super tool that I can see myself using quite a lot for my videos. I'd love to know what you think about it. This is a free feature for everyone, but if you're a free user, then you have 10 designs that you can create all over Magic Design. So also Magic Design for Video is included, but that's for lifetime. If you're a pro user, you get 100 designs generated across all Magic Designs for pro users daily. So if you'd like to try out Canva Pro for 45 days for free, I'm happy to give you this link. Just scan it or click in the comments below and start designing. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.